When's
like
the last time?
vape?
Okay, would you have one like that? Or actually, one like his. Have you had any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Okay, but you have a...
On January 12th, 2023, a police officer stopped a female, the driver, for driving over the speed limit, 40 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone. There were 2 male passengers in the vehicle. Upon approaching the vehicle, the officer smelled a strong odor of marijuana and proceeded to question and search the vehicle. Initially, the individuals denied possession of the drug, but later the 2 passengers admitted that they had e-cigarettes containing THC, the active ingredient in marijuana, in the vehicle.
I'm sorry.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Illegal narcotics?
No, sir.
Marijuana?
No, sir.
Cocaine?
No, sir.
Methamphetamines?
No, sir.
Where are you dropping off your cousin?
It's kind of in front of Rogers High School.
Oh, okay.
It's off of
So
Perry.
you got to go all the way around.
Yeah.
Still. Okay. That's fine. Where were you guys coming from? You guys have IDs on you?
I have mine, yes.
You mind if I borrow it?
Is there any reason?
Let's see. I got a quick question for you.
Yes, sir.
You ever smoked weed in this car?
No, sir.
You sure?
Positive.
Okay. 'Cause I'm getting an odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle, okay?
Okay.
Does anybody have weed on them?
I have my pen on.
Yeah, I can smell this odor of marijuana, okay?
Pass it to him.
So, at this point, I need everybody's IDs, okay? You're going to be good.
Yes, yes.
You mind lowering this back window down for me?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry about that. I do not have my ID.
You don't have? Alright, is this the THC?
Yes, sir.
You guys have anything else on the vehicle that you're not supposed to have?
But that's it.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
So am I going to find anything else? Because I'm going to be searching the vehicle, I'll be honest with you, okay? So if you guys want to hand me everything you have on you now, I don't have to deal with everything else, okay? Yeah. You're good with as far as your... Were you aware they have the weed on them?
I knew they had a vape. I didn't know
Okay.
if it was weed or not.
Do you have anything on you? Because you look kind of high, my man. Yeah, you.
I mean, I was just hitting the one that he passed you.
Okay, you don't have anything else on you?
No.
Okay. All right, you're good with your ID.
Okay. Do you need my registration or anything?
Yeah,
like that?
I need the proof of insurance.
I might also have a picture of that.
Yeah, you haven't smoked any of that, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
I don't know where it's at.
You might want to help him because he seems a little bit slow over there. You have the insurance?
Yes, my mom sent me a picture of it not too long ago.
With the registration.
Alright, so this one's outdated, okay?
Okay. I was not aware of that. Is there
Okay,
another-
your insurance is good. Hey, bub, what's your name?
I'm not sure. What's the reason?
What's it? Alright, listen, you're high, you got marijuana on you, and I can just hook you up and take you to county if you want to do that. Okay, thank you. Yeah, at this point, you don't have an option, okay?
I don't have anything on this.
Well, you just gave me this, so...
Well, that was not mine.
But it's in the vehicle.
Oh, but you can't.
Yes, yeah. I can actually charge all 3 of you guys if I really wanted to. Because you're high, he's high, you look normal. So, you're good with your insurance.
Okay.
I got you. Give me just a second, okay? You see us coming from the back passenger. The driver is fine. The driver is good though. She's doing fine. I got the 2 passengers. They didn't want to give me their names at first. Guy in the back, if you just want to search, if you don't mind just pulling them out and searching them for me. Yeah. I don't think that, honestly, I don't think there's much going in if I decide this little weed pin.
Yeah. So you said he already gave you some THC?
Yeah, that right there.
Okay.
Yep. Hey man, real quick, I just want to explain to you, I don't care too much about the weed, but once you have a narcotic in your possession or a controlled substance, which is the marijuana,
Yes, sir.
let me finish talking. That automatically you have everything I'm asking for I need. Name, date of birth, all that. That went out the window,
I apologize.
okay? I just want you to understand where we're at. Hey, so real quick,
Sorry,
is she...
my dog barks and not looking.
Okay, you want to hold her?
I mean, if I can.
Yeah, you can. I'm just going to be going through the car real quick. Based off the marijuana being in the vehicle. Yes.
I do want to inform you, I do have an eighth of marijuana with me.
Oh, so now we do have something.
No, it was just...
Well, I asked you when I told you I smelled the weed.
You can see it on that bumper.
You know?
Okay.
And that's why I asked.
Well, you didn't ask me directly. I wanted you to do it, but I was just inform you that you have an eighth of marijuana.
Where is it at?
I'm not sure where it is.
Center console.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right.
not sure right now, actually.
Okay.
Well,
You're my front passenger, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Put your feet together. Actually, hang on. No, stay over there. All right, man. Real quick. All right.
Where do I look?
How much have you had to drink tonight? Any alcohol?
2 beers.
2 beers? Still, right? All right. You see my finger? All right. You're gonna follow my finger with your eyes on your eyes. I'm like, okay, do not move your head. Do not move your body. Understand? All right. There we go. Yes.
That's THC as well.
I think this is the one that fell from here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know if you were wanting that or not.
Thank you. How far are you taking them both home to the same spot?
No, he lives with me. That's my twin brother. I'm taking him home.
Okay. Are you related to him?
It's my cousin.
Okay. Was it for both? Did you do the other? Did you do him? Do you mind doing him as well? Okay. When was the last time you hit the cartridge?
I didn't.
When was the last time you hit the
I didn't.
TC? You have one on you
I
on your side.
I've hit a vape.
When was
Like
the
a
last time?
nicotine vape.
Okay, would you have one like that, or actually one like his? Have you had any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Okay, but you have a vape that has THC in it right next to the driver's side. Okay?
Okay.
When's the last time you used that?
Probably like 3 days ago, maybe.
Okay. Let's sit your dog in the back real quick, okay? I want to go over to the.
Okay, he will bark. I just want to make you aware of that.
I'm sorry?
He will bark. I just.
That's
wanna-
fine. He can just be in the back of your car. And you can secure that other door back there, okay? Stand right there with that light side right here. Okay? Put your feet together.
The officer noticed the driver was
You wear eyeglasses?
intoxicated
Yes,
and
sir.
conducted a field
Behind
test.
your ears?
The driver admitted to having consumed a small amount of beer. A preliminary
Yes,
blood
sir.
alcohol test, PBT, returned a 0.10 BAC over the legal limit of 0.08. A horizontal eye nystagmus, AHGN, test also revealed signs of intoxication. The officer also noted that the driver was driving in the wrong lane before being stopped.
All right. Deep breath. Breathe in. Seal. You gotta seal the tube, okay? No.
Oh, sorry.
Put the tube in your mouth. Open your mouth. Blow. Harder. 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 All right. You didn't give me an ID, right? What's your name again?
I showed you a picture.
Yeah. I rang you. So here's the deal. I want to finish SFSTs on you. Okay? Are you willing to participate in the rest of
Sorry,
the
what is
standard?
it?
It's called standard field sobriety. Okay. Are you willing to finish that for me?
If it's necessary.
Okay. Well, it's up to you, regardless. Okay.
Could you say the few letters that you said in the beginning?
Standard field sobriety.
Standard field.
It just tells me how you are sober. I'm all. Okay. Let's
Sorry, it's
see.
really cold.
You want that sweater that you had in there?
It's a blanket. I
Oh,
don't
it's a
know
blanket?
if that's okay with y'all.
Would you rather do them else? Would you ever do these the SFSTs elsewhere? Here's the end.
What else would it be?
So I'm gonna go and shoot you straight. Okay, I'm done with trying to sugarcoat everything. You're over the limit. I saw that with your eyes. I want to finish standard field sobriety just to give you the benefit of the doubt. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. If you don't want to do them here because it's too cold, we can go do it at the PD. Regardless, you're going to be under arrest.
Okay.
Okay? You've consumed way more than what you told me. And that shows with how fast you were traveling down the street.
40 on a 35.
So,
5 over.
you know what I'm saying? You're still over the limit. You're still over the limit. Okay? And then when you were driving up, you started kind of going into the incoming lane, and you corrected yourself. Okay? So, you get what I'm saying?
Yes and no.
What are you not understanding?
I do know that 5 over the limit is okay in the state of Arkansas.
The speed limit is a speed limit.
Yes, sir, but I do know that 5 over is
No,
okay.
that doesn't
fine.
matter.
That's fine.
That's why you have it posted.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's just how I took my driver's test. Is how I learned.
It's what's posted. Okay. So regardless, I turn around And then that's not the only PC that's on the car, okay? The fact is, you're intoxicated, regardless. As soon as I pulled up to you, the odor of marijuana comes out, okay?
I have not smoked marijuana.
You may not, but there's marijuana in the vehicle,
Okay.
okay? So give me just a second to say where you're at, okay? Okay, do you want to complete them here, or do you want to complete it elsewhere? Okay. You do want to do them here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have somebody to come? Because I'm telling you, regardless, we're gonna complete it here, but we're still gonna go to the PVT and do a body alcohol contact. Okay? You good with that? Okay. And yeah, I got you. This is what I understand. Whether
Sorry.
you're really cold, I don't want to keep you in the cold either.
It's
Okay.
my blanket. I don't know if y'all are okay with that or not.
Can you put it? Because I'm gonna.
I can put it over me. Yeah.
Okay, but I'm gonna need it as far as like you're gonna need your hands. You're gonna need all that movement. Okay.
I can put it like a shawl.
Okay. See, I can smell alcohol coming from there. Here's the deal. Regardless whether you're 5 over or not, when I approached the vehicle, you had the odor of marijuana coming out of the car. It gave me probable cause to search for vehicle. Right? When I searched the vehicle, I found the marijuana, and I found the alcohol. Okay. I did center field sobriety as far as the HCN. You're showing clues like you're the 6 out of 6 of your eye movement, which is that you're going to be a 0.08 or above. Obviously, you did the PVT. You're at a 0.10. Okay. Regardless, I'm going to do the SFCs. Regardless, I'm going to take you to do the breathalyzer. One, because when you got your driver's license, that's what you agreed to do if it's requested by a law enforcement officer. 2, I have probable cause of why I believe you are intoxicated, and obviously your clues. Okay. So whether you want to do a standard field sobriety here or over there, it's going to get done anyway. I just don't want you to be cold.
We can do it here.
All right. Let's go to the sidewalk right here. About right there. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then I'm going to I'm explaining it to you, and then I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Okay? All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your feet together, hands to your side. You're going to imagine a straight line coming out of your left toe. You see the straight line? All right. Put your feet together. All right. So what you're going to put is you're going to put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe. So go ahead and assume that position. Que se lo lleve para acá, ¿no? Estos. Ahora que le va a hacer los fingerprints allá. Oh shoot, is he? Dang. Where's mom?
Yeah, he's going up to PD.
His mom died of cancer
Dad?
years back. Dad lives in Oregon.
So who's his
Sister
where's sister?
doesn't care about him. Lives in Rogers, where we were taking him.
Okay. Alright. Alright, you're good. You have somebody come pick up your dog at least?
My dog and my car, yeah.
Okay, hold. Here, what are you thinking?
No, we got to tow the car. It's agency policy. You have to tow it. And then your
Do you have
dog.
proof of that?
Yeah, that's not how it works.
No,
Okay,
you can't show
listen,
me proof of
that's not how it works. Okay, it's policy. It's part of our policy. That's it.
You don't have to
My question to him was as far as your
But
dog.
do you have a written policy that
Yes,
says
we
that?
have written policy.
Can I see that?
No, we're not required to show you anything.
I would like to see that
Okay.
before someone tows my car.
Well, no,
And
it's
I
gonna
have
get
someone
towed
that can pick
because
up
you're,
my car.
because you're
Ma'am,
intoxicated.
listen,
Okay.
I have
don't
someone
wanna
that
go
can
All right, here,
pick up
just
my
turn
car.
around for me. Okay. Turn around.
My sister can come pick up my car with
That's
her
not
girlfriend.
the way it works.
Can I see your policy, please?
I don't have a policy here. That's not the way
You
it
have
works.
a digital copy of it?
We're not required
A
to carry
digital
them.
copy of it?
And you feel like we're required to show you?
Yes, I do.
You do?
This
Well-
is my vehicle.
Really?
Don't drive intoxicated, and you don't have to deal with
I
that.
just see proof of that.
No.
My car doesn't
We're not going to show
towed.
you proof. It's
Why
got to
not?
Your car's getting
Can
towed.
I know why not, though?
because we're towing you.
Okay, but why? When
Because
someone-
you're under arrest.
Okay.
CWIs.
I understand that.
Okay.
But when someone can come pick up my car, why is that necessary?
Because it's our policy.
Okay, but
Listen,
where-
your wrists are small. I'm not gonna tie them anymore, but just don't wiggle out of them,
I
okay?
wouldn't do that. I'm not stupid.
Okay. We're gonna move over
Okay,
here.
but can I ask you a question really quick?
You've already asked your question.
I have another question for you. Where is my car going?
we get it.
I'll give you that information.
We'll give you that information once it gets done, okay? Because
Okay. I better get that information.
yeah, you will.
Okay.
Would you like your seatbelt on?
Doesn't matter to me. If
Okay.
y'all need it to be on, I can put it on.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? Okay, so this is what's going on. I'll explain to you. I need you to get the dog
Yes.
because she's okay. He's had a THC pen on him, and he's got arrested for public intoxication as well. So So I need to get the dog. We need to get the car towed because it's our policy. She was adamant about us showing policies. We don't have to. That's just a lieutenant order that we tow every vehicle that we get DWIs on. So if he can help us out and get the dog. So,
Absolutely.
okay.
So the other individual, you guys need a parent here.
Yes,
to
that's good.
question
Yeah.
him or
No, we didn't question him at all. He's getting transported to the PD, and we're gonna have him contact the guardian or the parent. I understand there's something going on there. So
Yeah, his mother's deceased, so sister's.
who's
guardian.
responsible for him?
I believe his sister.
Okay, so if he can speak to sister and sister can give me permission for us to release him to you, that would be great as well. But we need to speak with her.
So
Okay.
I don't think I have a number. Could you get his phone from him so I can get it?
I don't know if he had it on him. I didn't. Can you check the car?
Sure.
See it for any cell phone? Because I was having a hard time finding his.
Can I pull up?
Yeah, you can pull up.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. 107. Can you get next code 11, please?
My
Yes, ma'am.
sister is there a jail in Lowell or?
No, she's actually being taken to our BAC room. She's going to, well, it's her choice if she wants to do the breathalyzer test. But once we confirm that what her alcohol content is, depending on that, we'll either release her if she's below or, take it account.
Driver, female, under arrest, driving while intoxicated, DWI/DUI, intoxicated, preliminary blood alcohol concentration, BAC of 0.10 over legal limit of 0.08, and speeding, lane swerving. Transported to the police department for an official breathalyzer test and transported to jail if positive. Vehicle towed per department policy. Passenger, cousin, got arrested possession of a controlled substance, had a THC pen on him. Public intoxication. Police determined he looked kind of high. He was taken to the police department and told to contact his guardian. Backseat passenger, your twin, not arrested. Not arrested, but related to THC possession in the car. THC pen found on him. Police commented that he looked normal and did not show signs of intoxication. However, he needed to stay behind so the police could process him and complete the drug-related procedures.